So the Apple Store in India, it has opened.
Yes.
As of yesterday?
Yesterday, I believe, yeah. Tim Cook was there. He tweeted it out.
Told you, man. Went straight from Coachella.
Yeah.
Private jet. Kept the same badge on. So it's 2 stories, and it is this unique sort of flat iron shape thing going on. I like it. Looks pretty nice in there. You got the live plants on the inside. I mean, otherwise it looks like an Apple store. But this is big news for India. It's the first one.
Yeah, very sustainable. Apparently, it doesn't use any fossil fuels.
Well, they got some solar up top.
I think so. They haven't shown the top, but this is what it looks like on the inside.
We got the PR team working overtime. They invited all the YouTubers, Indian tech YouTubers over there to get all your videos made. They look to have a tremendous amount of staff ready to go and lots of access. You see how they just let everybody shoot videos wherever they wanted?
Yeah.
That's one way to make it happen.
Yeah, it's pretty nice, pretty clean.
I like it. Yeah, I like a 2-story thing if you've got the space for it. And
a lot of wood.
But their design language is pretty uniform. They don't get too crazy per region as far as the design language.
Yeah.
The architecture and the external aspect of the store tends to be a little more unique per region. But once you get inside, they all seem to have that same kind of atmosphere. But congrats to Apple on this, and obviously, I presume a lot of Indian tech fans are going to go check this out if they're nearby. It's going to be a pretty popular spot until more of them open up. This is the first one. This one is in Mumbai, and then the next one is opening like next week or something in Delhi. So they're going to do a 1-2 punch on that, and it's probably the start of a heck of a lot more of these things over there.
Yeah. Shout out Track and Tech.
Oh, yeah. Thanks for use of those video clips. This clip you just watched is sponsored by LaterCase. If you have been looking for an impossibly thin case to put on your brand new smartphone, you need to check out LaterCase, available for both Android and iPhone. Check the description of this clip in order to get a special offer.